Some of the alternatives of Photoshop. So first, if you want to buy the genuine product, you can just search for Adobe Photoshop here, and once you search for it, the first link of Adobe, you are gonna click on it, and this will take you to the website where you can buy the product. As you can see, it's $22.99 per month, and you can just click on buy now, or you can try the free trial. So just click on the free trial and click on start free trial. This will give you some discounts, so if you choose students and teachers, you can click on this or choose this, and this is, it will save you over 60%. So as you can see, here are some of the discounts. So if you click on continue, once you click on this, it will take you to another page where you can continue with the purchase. So this is if you want to buy the genuine product and save some money. But if you don't want this or don't want to spend money on Photoshop, what you can do is search for BlueStacks. So what BlueStack basically is, it's a mobile emulator, so Android emulator. This will emulate the Android device on your PC so that you can use App Store photo editors on your PC. So you can just click on download BlueStacks, click on this download BlueStack 5 or 10, and once you do that, you can just click on download and install the app. So once you install the app, you can open this, and once your BlueStacks is open, as you can see, there is a search bar appears where you can search for games. So if you want any kind of photo editors, you can search for example, PixArt, and this will take you to this page. So you can click on install and download. So you can download it from here, or you can download Lightroom Mobile. And that's how you can download Android photo editors on your PC and use them as alternatives of Photoshop. And another thing is, you can open your Microsoft Store to see another alternatives. So if you just search for Microsoft Store here, you can open it and then just search for Photoshop. This will show you some of the alternatives that are free. So as you can see, the first one is paid version, but you can download PixArt from here as well. You don't have to download the BlueStacks. So the second one that says Adobe Photoshop Express, this is a free version, so you can just get it for free and use it as alternative for Adobe Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.